Hey, look, world champion, multi-time world champion.
And we're really happy everybody is here. First I wanted to just give a round of applause for anybody who's volunteering here today. Let's give a round of applause. Thank you, volunteers. Before I forget, I just want to say thank you to all the teams that come out to Ramp Riot every year, because it's the teams that make Ramp Riot. So thank you for participating today. We really appreciate you being here.
We appreciate it.
Absolutely.
Alright, so let's get started. So I'm here to present the Lightweight Memorial Trophy to the team that brought the most packaged food goods for the Maddie Dixon cover. And we'll get to that in just a second. So first of all,
can everyone just quiet down for a second? We're trying to do something to memorialize someone. We really appreciate it if we can have it quiet in the house. Thank you.
Okay.
So up on the screen are some pictures of Mike Wade, and Mike Wade was a NASA Goddard Space Flight Center employee, and way back in 2002, he could not get a first field, and all the East Coast teams that run events could not get a first field. He had his own field, he drove up and down the East Coast, and he did that for several years, and basically, saved multiple events and made sure that kids had what they needed to participate in robotics. So he was an incredible guy. I just wanted to do a little exercise here. So, if you knew Mike Wade, stand up. Stand up if you knew Mike Wade. There we go. Not many people anymore, right? All right. All right. Stand up if you've ever been to Doolin in Delaware. Stand up if you've been to Doolin in Delaware. Stand up if you've been to Brunswick Eruption. Stand up, stay standing. Stand up if you've ever been to Ramp Riot. Here's a trick question for you. Everybody up. If you're standing right now, Mike Wade helped you out. He helped save all these events. So I just wanted to make that point that, his legacy is that he kept all of our events alive so that you could be here today and participate in robotics. So in honor of that, we asked teams to bring packaged food goods so Maddie gets them covered in his memory, and I just wanted to announce the winner. So the winner is Team 484 RoboForce with 246 items. Come on down. RoboForce, come on down. RoboForce in the house. There we go.
There we go.
Oh, Megan's coming over.
All right, guys, enjoy your afternoon. Thank you.